My name is Oscar Alberto Piedrahita Cardoso. Pronunciation activity. Tutora Claudia Juliana Gómez, Universidad Nacional Abierta a Distancia, Inglés. Talking about my touring destino. Do you spend much money for your last trip? Was it a fair amount? The money spent was normal since the touring seat were shared and public. Did you go since I on your last trip was what the most interaction plus for you? The most interaction plus one the visit point on Puerto López de Obelisco. Was hard the most visit plus for you or children attraction in your city? The most visit plus hard visit point, the Pin Lago and Central Park. Have you ever worked with children? How was it? They working has children get in the Los Ocarros Biopark. It was very interaction and learning. Thank you.